Whatever your experience as a pilot, whether you're a student at any level, a private GA flyer, seasoned commercial airline pilot, or military aviator, there's one aviation app that you need in your flight bag today: the Jacobson Flare app for iOS. What is it? Developed in Australia by former Qantas Airways captain David Jacobson, the Jacobson Flare is an incomparable training technique that delivers perfect landings in any airplane type, large or small, on any runway or airstrip, consistently, precisely, and with minimal fuss. The Jacobson Flare is universal, mathematically quantifiable, and surprisingly simple. It's the ultimate game changer, and here's why. Using clean and simple mathematics, the known flare height, either nominated or derived by experience at which to commence to flare an airplane, can be related to a visual fix along the runway. Yes, you heard correctly, it's visible to the pilot. Moreover, the how much and the how fast to flare can finally be answered with unassailable logic. For seasoned Boeing, Airbus, or other class-leading airplane pilots, the Jacobson Flare is a really smart add-on to your aeronautical knowledge. It provides the many advantages of the ultimate approach and landing system, delivering greater safety, passenger comfort, and a host of additional benefits. For student pilots, it's an essential tool that you'll use throughout your entire aviation career. The cost, about the same as just one circuit in your training airplane. The Jacobson Flare doesn't remove the art of landings or assume you don't know how to land an airplane. Not at all, but it does improve your game, big time. The Jacobson Flare app for iOS also includes a bonus supplemental section, including reference data on pilot eye reference position, international runway markings, and the all-important approach path diagrams, approach guidance lighting system schematics, application in night operations, and much more. At the heart of the app are the Jacobson Flare calculators. These do the heavy lifting, delivering you accurate flare point and aim point calculations in an instant. These ensure that your application of the Jacobson Flare delivers the perfect landing in the right place every time. Completing the app are the approach and landing videos with head-up display styled graphic overlays showcasing precisely how the Jacobson Flare works in real life and in real time for airplanes, including the iconic Cessna 172, and commercial jets including Boeing 737, Boeing 777, and Airbus A380. So if you're looking to Top Gun your aviation career this year, then you need the Jacobson Flare app for iOS. Remember, this is a tool you will use throughout your career. The cost again? About the same as just one circuit in your training airplane. Download today on the App Store and get the answers you always wanted. Happy landings!